Hi, my name is Rich and welcome to this video on breathwork. I'm going to take you through a really simple technique that I hope is going to leave you feeling grounded, feeling very present and also calm. Before we dive into the technique itself, I just want to invite you to be aware of the fact that each person breathes differently. And if I'm inviting you to breathe in a certain way and it doesn't feel good for your lungs and your body, that's totally okay. And you can just adapt it to just make sure that when you breathe in and out, it's as smooth and effortless as possible. What I don't want you to do is start to force air in and start to, and so it becomes unnatural because then the impact and the benefit of the technique will be lost and you may well feel the opposite. So, set up your seat in a nice comfortable position. I've got a nice meditation mat here. I'm going to use a prop also just to sit up nice and tall so that my hips are higher than my knees. Just like meditation, it helps a straight spine, but also to open up your lungs as well. Whether you're sat on a sofa or on a chair, just make sure that your spine is nice and straight. The technique goes as follows. I'll explain it first and then I'll take you through it. We're going to breathe in for a count of 4. Then I'll ask you to hold the breath in for a count of 2, so half that length. Then you'll exhale for a count of 4, and then you'll hold the breath out for a count of 2. So the ratio is 4-2, 4-2. Later, I'll invite you to expand if you have the capacity to maybe breathe in for 6, hold the breath in for 3, exhale for 6, hold the breath out for 3. So it's the same ratio, but you're just working with deepening the whole experience, only if it feels good for you. Let's just start by doing some natural, deeper breaths without the breath holds, and then I'll introduce them as we go. So just sitting comfortably, arms resting by the sides. You can watch me if it helps you, or you can just close your eyes and drop in. So at the same time as me, please just start taking a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out of the nose. Nice full deep breath in through the nose. Feel the spine straighten, crown of the head reach up. Exhale out of the nose, keep that spine nice and straight, shoulders relax. One more time, deeply in through the nose. And exhale fully. And now let's begin. Inhale for a count of 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath in for 2. Exhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath out for 2. Again, inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath in for 2. Exhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath out for 2. Inhale for 4. Crown of the head reaches up. Hold the breath in for 2. Relax the shoulders. Exhale for 4. Hold the breath out for 2. Inhale for 4. Take over the count yourself now. Holding the breath in for 2 at the top and continuing just like we have. See if you, as you inhale, can really straighten the spine and bring some life and energy into the lungs. Feel yourself expand. As you hold the breath in, relax the shoulders and the body, no tension. And then as you exhale again, just feel like your body starting to soften and relax and release down into the earth. And then stay in that space as you hold the breath out. Continue in this way for a couple more rounds. As you inhale, you grow tall, you feel like energy is coming in. Exhale, hold the breath in, just continue to sense that energy in the body. And as you exhale, then the body just starts to really soften, release. The skin becomes soft. And you pause and hold that space as you hold the breath out. Try a couple of rounds in silence. Continue in this way, but really start to notice how you're feeling. Maybe you're starting to feel centered and calm. Maybe you're not really noticing so much. But just continue to focus on each and every breath, which is kind of a form of meditation in of itself. If you like, you can work with something that's maybe a little stressful, a little thing that's not going well in the day. And as you breathe it in, you almost accept this uncomfortable experience that you're not really enjoying, this challenge. You sit with it as you hold the breath in. And then as you exhale, you just release it, let it go down into the earth as the body softens. Try it. A conflict, something that's frustrating you, breathe it in with the same technique, the same count. Hold it in the body, accept it. I've got this. And then exhale, let it go. Feel it move down the body into the earth. It's a form of the Buddhist practice of Tonglen, transforming pain and suffering. Maybe that's too much for right now and you just want to focus on the breath. Spine is tall, the skin is soft. And here you can ask your own body, do I have more capacity? What happens when I start to breathe in for 6, hold the breath in for 3? Exhale 6, hold the breath out for 3. You can join me as I guide you through a round or two of this if you like, or you can stay exactly as you are, 4-2-4-2. So if you want to join me, just complete the round that you're on. And together now, let's breathe in for a count of 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold the breath in for 3, 2, 3. Exhale for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold the breath out for 3, 2, 3. Inhale for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold the breath in for 3, 2, 3. Exhale for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold the breath out for 3, 2, 3. Inhale, take over the count yourself. Is this helping me, or is this making me less focused, more stressed? Decide which breath count works for you. No judgment. Which works for me best today? But also ask yourself, am I challenging my capacity, or am I just taking it easy? You can slow the breath down with Ujjayi breathing, which I can explain in another video if it's new for you. Just breathing softly at the very back of the nose. And then wherever you are, just finish the round that you're on. Take your time. And then just come back to normal breathing. Pause with your eyes closed and just notice how you feel. If you like, you can move to a meditation from here. Or like me, you can come out of this technique and move on with the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found it of value, and I'll see you again soon.